How to add AUDNOK on MetaTrader 5. Are you guys facing issues to add AUDNOK on your MetaTrader 5 app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open MetaTrader 5 on your device. Once you open the app, now click on the codes which is located at the left bottom of your screen. And now tap on AUDNOK and click on charts. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna add AUDNOK on MetaTrader 5. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.